In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to post a YouTube video on LinkedIn. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go over to YouTube and choose any video you wanna post. So in this case, this is my channel right here. So I'm just gonna pick up any video. So let's say I'm gonna post this one. I'm just gonna click on the video and then I'm gonna take the link of the video. So I'm just gonna copy the link. So right click, copy the link, and then I'm gonna go back to LinkedIn. Here I'm gonna click on start post. I'm gonna paste the link right here and then I'm gonna wait for it. It's gonna pop a video right here, the one which I just copied. So as you guys can see, the video popped up along with the thumbnail, and then I can post it, and there you go. As you guys can see, the YouTube video is successfully posted. So now if anyone clicks on it, the video is they're gonna be redirected to a new page where they can view the video. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you next time. Peace out.